One good afternoon, welcome to Agrofest 2024. My name is Bernice Chase and I'm the food designer at the International Food Science Center located in Newton. And the first sauce we have here is a pepper blast, which is a fresh made sauce. It's in that it is not cooked, right? And it has a very hearty taste. It's one of my favorites actually, and it's lovely. Now this one is one of my babies. This is the first sauce that I did trying out the sea moss. Right now the sea moss actually has over 92 vitamins, so this is actually a healthy sauce, right? Pepper, as you know, is very good for the heart, right? So the sea moss being added to this pepper is actually going to give you a very good heart. Okay. This is the Admiral, and we wanted to do a traditional Barbadian sauce, and we actually named this one after the Admiral belonging to the Landship. Okay, so this is one of our babies as well, and it's a nice color, traditional original Bajan sauce. And this one came kind of late. It's not a pepper sauce, it's actually a rum sauce. So it's basically rum along with powders, okay? But it has a unique flavor, so you can use it for barbecues and that sort of thing. Some people even added it onto bread pudding. So that's, and we have some more sauces coming, of course. Okay, there'll be a pickle sauce that's coming, and then there'll be a green sauce that's coming.
And I understand that the name, the Landship, actually has a nice charity aspect.
Yes. Proceeds from today's sales will go towards the Landship, which is our Barbadian Landship.